Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing. If you're new here, this channel we talk more on because we're a tribe. We talk more on freelancing, marketing, productivity, and career. So please do not forget to subscribe. It takes 0 pennies, 0 naira, $0 to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, share with someone, and leave me a comment below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always checking my video out. You're the OG. And you have been the one encouraging me to shoot this video and keep on bringing you content week after week. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I started in growth marketing. Remember I told you guys at one of my videos, in case this is your first video you're watching in this series, I'm going to call it a series because now this is the third video in the series of how I transitioned from being a digital marketer to being a growth marketer. Now, I'll link the video above, either here or here, but honestly I'm going to leave it in the description below so you can go check it out if you want to watch the video, if you're job hunting and you want to get the tease of how I did it. So remember I told you guys in that previous video that I was new to growth marketing, I was finding my feet, and to make things very interesting, I became the founding growth marketer at my present company where I work. Now that was very interesting. So first of all, it was dicey enough that I was transitioning from digital marketing to growth marketing. And on the other hand, that I became the founding growth marketer. So I was left with the option of figuring it out. And this is what I love, figuring things out. So I'm going to move on into the video and give you my top 3 courses that helped me in figuring out growth marketing, especially if you're the founding growth marketer in your company. So the first one is Zingerline course by Velocity Growth. I don't know how to thank Greg enough, but that course became free. It was paid before. I think it was $10,000. I think $1,000 to $10,000 each. But the course became free all of a sudden when they transitioned from being a growth company to a digital marketing agency. I'm going to dive into my computer and tell you everything about it. We're going to head on to velocitygrowth.com. You can see that I already have the what's it called here. Now this course is going to teach you, when you get here, you click on growth, or you can click on all the courses. Now the course is going to teach you the framework, like majorly the fundamentals about growth marketing. I would advise you to start with mastering growth. I think I made a mistake when I was talking about the course. So mastering growth and building a growth playbook. So this course is going to teach you the fundamentals and the framework behind growth marketing, teach you what exactly you should measure, how your acquisition should go, how your activation should go, how your retention should go, and whatnot. So the first thing I would say you should do is come on this website. I'm going to drop this website on the description below so you see it. Come on this website. I've gone through the course, so that's why I'm recommending it. It's absolutely free, so you can start learning and you see what it's about. I think mastering growth is the advanced one. So this is what the course looks like. You can just go through it. It's not a very long course. The first one, you can go through it. It teaches you everything you need to know about growth marketing, building your, especially when you're founding growth marketer, it teaches you about building your growth and financial model, how to build it, how to expect growth in the first year, second year, the third year, and how your input, action, and output model works. It teaches you everything about it. So I recommend you should go through building a growth playbook by Greg Zingerline. Then afterwards you move on to mastering growth. It is still by him, Greg Zingerline, and it's by Velocity Growth. So I'm going to drop this. You can see the course is so packed. It's extremely packed. Like you can see it. So, and also there's this one I didn't recommend. I didn't say in the video, but it is very important you know about it. It is Ramil John. They talk about onboarding, product-led growth, and they even have an ebook. I'll put the link to their YouTube channel on the description below so you can check them out and yeah. The second material that has been immensely helpful is Reforge blog. I cannot emphasize Reforge enough. Reforge has been helpful. Like when you read a blog, you know when something is backlinked to a blog, you just click on the backlink and you read it, and it makes a whole lot of sense. And sometimes you click on it on some of the additional materials that are there, it takes you to a YouTube video, and you watch the YouTube video and your mind is blown. So I'll highly recommend Reforge. I'm going to show you what Reforge looks like, as well as drop the link in the description below. You want to come to reforge.com. It is cool. It's a product and growth school, majorly growth. I know it will majorly growth. So what you want to do is, especially when you're starting out and you don't have $1,000 to splurge yet, I'm not going to call it splunging because it's very, very essential. I'm definitely going to pay for a Reforge course as time goes on. But if you do not have a lot of cash in your hand and you want resources to really back up after going through the growth marketing by Zingerline, the next thing you want to do is come to the blog section of Reforge. Now, the blog section of Reforge houses a lot of things. So the first thing I would say you should learn more about is, yeah, you need to subscribe so that you can get emails in your inbox. And another email newsletter I would say subscribe to is CXL. So I'm just going to say no time because I'm already subscribed. You should go through the first one, this particular one. Why am I pointing when I'm supposed to be using my cursor? So you go through this particular first one, which is growth loops at the new funnels. You're going to enjoy. It's going to be a very good read for you. So go through it, and as time goes on, just go through Reforge. Reforge has a lot in them. There are backlinks, links to blogs they are written, and even links to YouTube videos as well, so you're going to enjoy it. The third material on my list is the newly launched ebook by Amplitude. I saw that when I was scrolling on LinkedIn one time, and someone reposted it, and I was like, whoa, this is mad, let me just check it out. I checked it out and I have been glued. It teaches you more on retention. Amplitude in itself, it's a retention tool, and that ebook gives you practical tips to retention and engagement. So I'm going to drop the link to how you can get the Amplitude ebook on retention, and it contains 3 workbooks that can help you in mastering retention. And retention is what growth stands on, what growth is built on. One of my previous videos, which I'll link up there, when I was talking about the differences between growth marketing, digital marketing, product marketing, I talked about that growth marketing is majorly on reducing the cost of per acquisition and increasing the LTV, which is the lifetime value, and retention is the backbone to reducing your CAC and increasing your LTV. Those are my 3 things you should start with when you are navigating growth, in a sense. And also, you should please learn Excel. Excel is very important. You can learn any other data analytics tools such as SQL, Pi. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time, 6 p.m. on Saturday. Bye.